pursuant to the Republic Act 9163, subject National Service Training Program and provision of the Armed Forces of the Philippines, Revision Group 310-021, General Headquarters, Armed Forces of the Philippines, dated 27 August 1985. Lieutenant Colonel Sir, in my capacity as the Chief Clerk of the Samal Island City College ROTC Unit, I hereby the honor to present to you 145 mil and 99 female with a total of 244 basic ROTC cadets for academic year 2024-2025 enrolled in the prescribed program of instruction set forth in basic ROTC program for academic year 2024-2025. Recommend, sir, that said training be open effective this day.